I know you have some project going on, like a very huge project, and I've been seeing the traffic online. I've been seeing a lot of people engagement on your page. Uh, I wonder that you made the fastest e-bike in Nigeria.
This project, I have no sponsor doing this project, so it cost me a lot of money. I like building stuff. I was like, let me try something new. Let me try to build stuff. Let me be a solution. I made money doing camera job. I still do till now because I still do camera rentals and the rest, right? I still shoot productions for people.
Okay.
So, but right now I'm trying to channel that more of those energy into my personal content. For people who've been asking, because I've seen a lot of comments of people asking me, why are you wearing face masks? I mean, I don't want to be that guy that everybody will see and say, now that moo boy be this.
Where
You
use the
get,
money go do
when go
bike?
use all in life savings, do electric bike.
Building this bike, do you have an idea, or have you been building bikes before, or this is actually your first time of doing it? Because like I'm actually surprised.
That I was able to do it,
Before you could, bring up something like this, like I feel like you should have at least some experience about it before. Is this your first time actually, or you have built some bikes before?
Okay, this is my first time.
Really?
Yeah, I had no idea whatsoever, and I didn't even know if it will work. Of course, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I have this magnetic brain. When I see something being done in my face, of course I can replicate it. I've watched so many YouTube videos, and I'm like, I think I can do this stuff.
During the process of making icon, like what are the challenges you faced? Like have you ever like gotten to an extent whereby you felt discouraged, you cried, and you feel like, are you making a mistake? Like I want you to share with me.
Yes. That's a good question. Guys, let's talk. Custom dealt with me. I've been waiting for my order for almost 2 months. Custom heard it. Tell me the thing is heavy. I should come and pay money. Woo! Actually, so many things discouraged me. There's so many discouragements. Even despite the fact that Icon is a huge success, I'm still finding the courage because there's no sponsors yet. And still looking at the fact that I'm still spending money in building it, adding few things that make Icon look beautiful, right? So when I just started, I told my girlfriend then that, see, I want to embark on this journey. I want to start something new. This is 2026. I don't want to be that videographer that shoots for people every time. At least I want to still be in front of the camera this time. I want to chase a new path. Of course, I didn't tell her how much it's going to cost me, and because I know definitely she's going to disencourage me and tell me, no, don't do it. But of course, I did. I pulled the plug. And do you know what it means to spend your entire life savings on something that you've not done before? That's what I did. And then she was angry because when a girl wants maybe 200k or 100k or something, she just wants some cash, some financial assistance, then something normal thing that a boyfriend would do now. But I was not able to do all that at that time, and there's no fund, and the year just started. The job has not picked up. People don't really call me for job. There was no renter because I rent cameras too, so there was no renter like that. So there's nothing in the world. She was like, this guy is throwing his future away and he's picking up something else, and then he's using his own entire life savings. She didn't see the lights. You understand? Right now, I still don't blame her because me, I'm still searching for the lights. Despite the fact that I'm getting traffic, I'm getting views, but there's no sponsors yet. So I'm calling for a sponsor. I'm calling for
Like I've been seeing a lot of comments like, how much? I like it. How much? Can I get one? Can I build mine? Can I get this? Can I do that? Are you actually telling me that no deal has ever been successful with you and any of your like?
Okay, actually, Icon is the only bike I've made. Yeah, I'm not in the business of producing bike and selling them
Okay.
yet. Yeah, so maybe later in the future. So what I do for people now is repost what they have for sale and just repost. So if you like it, you buy. And if you want the contact of the owner, yeah, I will send you the contact. You understand directly. So if the owner is so kind, he might just say, okay, I've successfully sold one bike,
Okay, this is
and
actually yours.
yes, and then because of my referral, I did good. And if he wants to give me something, fine. You understand? So when people ask me how much is Icon, Icon is not for sale. Except you want me to build your own Icon for you, then I can. But are you willing to take that risk? Because Icon is not cheap. Looking at the fact that I spent so much on her, the chipping, the custom was still another problem because they held it because they saw the weight of the motor and they said the thing is very heavy and they charged me a lot. You
If you had to
understand?
run me an estimate right now on like Icon with everything, like every penny, like if you had to like
I've
run me an
spent.
yeah, if you had to run me an estimate, like how much have you put on her for Icon to
Icon
be
right
like this?
now, over 3 million has been spent on Icon right now. I can even say 4 million has been spent on Icon right now. And the good thing about it is the sole can be removed and be used for another back frame anytime, which I'll be doing that soon. Like when I'm tired of this look, this frame, I can remove the sole,
Put
and
it
the
on
wheel
some.
and put it in another back frame and make that an Icon. If you want your own Icon, you want your own one of one because there's no other bike
This
that
is
looks
actually
like
one
this.
of one like this.
There's
Because
no other
yes, I've
bike that
never
looks like
seen
this.
it
So
before too.
if you want your own one of one, you want your own Icon, reach out if you are ready to spend the money. But if you are not ready, of course, I post e-bikes on my story.
Okay.
Cheap factory made bags.
Okay.
You can go there, check. If you see the one you like, send me a DM. If you want the contact of the owner, I send it directly to you. You make your business, we are good.
I actually screenshotted some comments on your page,
Okay.
and I actually want to ask you how you feel, you know, when you see that comment, your reaction, like how did it change your mood, or did it make you feel happier? Check how much I want to get that I see on your page. I think the comment should be like more than 2,000. People want to get how much I want mine. Can I get it? Can I build mine too? Like,
Yeah. But now they know that Icon
it's
is not for sale. And
yeah, but like
you can actually build
you
for
told them
for
too
you.
that like you can build for them. None has turned up yet.
Yeah, because it's not cheap.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not cheap. So I don't blame them if for not turning up. Right? Some people they like to ask how much because typing is very cheap. Pulling the plug, yeah, it's not easy. So you have to be prepared for
Imagine
for getting it.
somebody was like, nothing concern me with this one. Na GLE I dey pay for right now.
Actually, is also not a bad thing if that's what you want to invest your money on.
Okay.
Already I have a car, so I don't want another liability because cars are more like liability now.
Okay.
Icon, I spend no money on it except money I'm using to build it to make it look exactly the way it's looking right now and building it to my taste. That's all. GLE is fine.
Somebody was like, don't let anybody ride though. No matter what, no matter who the person is.
Yeah. I think I saw that comment. I smiled when I saw that comment because not let anybody ride, no matter who the person. Yes. But I still have to let some people ride so that I can hear their review and
Okay.
see what I can fix. You know, not be only you get eye, you might be seeing it from this angle. It's okay by you, but some other person may see it in another angle and like, bro, you need to improve this thing. So you need your review to make it better in case of my next build. So that comment is welcome. I love it.
Imagine, this is not actually even the price, but imagine, say this person, somebody said 500k for electric bike, and 500k for half plot of land. Choose wisely. Do you feel like the person is,
I don't know
like, how do you
where
feel when you saw that comment?
I saw that comment. You know, this mentality is different. You know, some people have not seen 500k before, right? So if you think 500k is big money, and I mean you want to secure your 500k, keep your 500k, bro. So if, I mean, 500k can still get you land in somewhere in your village, right? If that's what you want to invest in and start farming, it's fine. You know, they say some people go school, some people not go school. Some people idea now to go school and work for bank, while another person go school to buy the bank. So not be the same course. You understand? So not be the same hustle.
Yeah.
So it's different. My idea is different, right? So that people, you know, some people get imagination. Your imagination might be like this, maybe very small. While some people's imagination is like this. You get too. I don't even think about that person in imagination. What I have in mind is different. My goal, my target is different. That person in target will be 500k. 500k is not my target because only the battery here is over 500k, and only this battery can buy me a normal Okada.
Okay.
You understand? But
for the fact that you have not published the price yet, but like people are just kind of guessing. For instance, this one 1.8 for bicycle. We have to use go buy 1.8 million for bicycle. We have to use carry my crush for road. How much be ladies bike?
I don't understand the guy.
I don't really understand. Like
is it 1.5?
No, he said 1.8 million
1.8
for bicycle.
Okay.
We have I no fit use carry. No wait, I was on that did the mistake. He said 1.8 million for bicycle. We are no fit carry my crush for road. How much be ladies bike?
Oh, okay. Because this one has one seat and you cannot carry someone else. So how much be ladies bike when go be? Okay, ladies bike is cheap. I think ladies bike is like 400k or 500k for the man. I think so. I don't know. I think so. Maybe 400 or 500k, right? Then you buy fuel, you service the engine, maybe weekly or monthly, depends. You do those things.
Yeah.
And then the smoke, the noise, once you start the lady bike in the morning, everybody wakes up. You understand? So yeah, that's what you want. Use it to carry your babe, right? So I'm good with this. I don't want to buy fuel. Like,
somebody.
That's me.
Look at
if
it.
If you're good with buying fuel, you can. Me, I don't want to.
Look at this person. It was like 1.5 million naira for an electric bike. How much can be Corolla?
Oh yeah. Woo! You know, some people they prefer to do Uber. So they are like, I think everybody wants return of investment. I think I should actually make a content on how to use your electric bike to make money.
So you can use this one to make money too?
Of course.
Tell me how.
You have to wait for that content. Okay.
You have it coming.
Yeah. I have content coming. I have to
on how to
show people,
use your e-bike to make money.
Of course, you can use your e-bike to make money.
Okay.
And looking at the battery has this thing. You can, before the battery starts degrading, it will take you like 7 to 8 years before the battery starts degrading. So it's just like you buy the battery now. From nothing like 8 years, you are still using that same battery, right? Except you're a very rough person. If Corolla is what you want, I'm not sure you get Corolla for that price, but I know for the amount I spent on this bike, I can actually get myself a good Corolla. But I already own a car, and I don't need a Corolla. So if Corolla is your choice, I'm not going to change your mind. Go for it.
So somebody said, "Oh, but this one no truly concern me." Who notice say they don't reduce spaghetti from 287 sticks to 172 sticks.
Yeah, and you know, say some people actually they, let's say, jobless, or they need something to do. You understand? So for you to come begin the count spaghetti sticks.
Yeah, like he said they have reduced it from 287 sticks to 167 sticks.
I don't count. So sometimes I just check if it's full. Well done. So sometimes I go just check whether it's full or not.
Enemy spotted. This shift first now. You won't even talk. You go talk now. Say you want to enter the so now, guy. This is with the shoot. If you want to follow us, or you go follow us. Or maybe you want. Maybe more finish with you.
Yeah, continue.
So like,
some people are actually. Some people have time. So maybe the person counted it. Maybe you counted it before and you counted it again. I think so many things have reduced, even biscuits safe. So it's not only spaghetti. So many things have reduced, of course.
Okay.
So
I want
Nigerians are actually very strong people.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
they can always adjust. We are adjusting. You self try adjust.
So right now, like I want you to round it up. Like, what should they be expecting from Icon? Like, what is the next step from Icon? How many percentage, using like 100%, how many percentage, like, can you give the audience, like, how ready Icon is?
Icon is 90% ready.
90?
Yeah, so the only thing I want to try out on Icon is maybe upgrading the batteries to 72 volts or 60 volts.
Okay.
So upgrading battery, not like 40, because I'm currently running on 48 volts right now. Not like 48 volts is not good enough, but to fully utilize the power of Icon, you need a 72 volt battery, and the power Icon has is massive. So I needed to maybe reduce the speed, understand what I'm getting myself into fully. So, right, the power I'm getting myself into, right? I need to understand these things fully before upgrading to like 72 volts, and then I unleash Icon, like unleash the full potential of Icon. So by that time, I'm going to be creating some massive content, and I'm going to be raising, let's say, power bikes, because Icon is in the categories of power bikes, but in an electric form, right? It's just small because I used it on a bicycle. Doesn't mean it's supposed to be on.
Yeah, I actually saw a video like the one you posted, I think a few days ago. Like, you actually was on like mad speed. It looks like maybe like a rocket just moved. Then you mashed the brake. I was like,
and
wow.
looking at that video, I'm still running on 48 volts, and if I'm running on 72 volts, the power will be like ×3.
Nice for giving me the opportunity to like get to meet your baby and interview the owner too. It's my pleasure. I'm happy to have you here, and I'm amazed by the beauty of like Icon. Like I'm amazed and I'm impressed. So like, to round it up now, do you think there's anything you want to say?
Yeah. A lot to say. I want to tell people to subscribe.
Okay.
Please subscribe, support this channel, help me remove my shame, encourage me. Don't be like my girlfriend that left me because I used my entire life savings to build an e-bike. The next day, my dog left me because my dog felt like there was no more food in the house, so he went to the street. Though I found him though, right? I found him, later found him. A lot happened. Those were just some things that were like, what's going on? But of course, I'm back on my feet, and Icon is here, my dog is here, but my girlfriend is not here. Hopefully, please subscribe.